Hello guys, and today I finally signed in Roblox and I'm so happy for myself. I love it. So I am gonna be in Brookhaven. Okay, got it? Okay. Oh no. Brookhaven and experiences. Not people. Turning red in Brookhaven roleplay. No. I'll never do that. I will never do any obbies, but I finally can beat obbies. Except for hard obbies. Okay, we're playing Brookhaven. This is my first time playing Brookhaven. Yeah. Okay. Let's play. Okay, this was No. Sorry guys, I'm just moving. I'm gonna edit my avatar. I'm gonna change to my Roblox avatar and I'm just going to move. Okay. So guys, this is what I look like now. Okay, so here it is. Oh, I can actually run. Yeah, we can press shift to run and I didn't even know about that. But now I know. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is my first time playing Brookhaven. Wow! Bank vault will be closing. Okay. Oh, these are items, eh? Okay. I'm gonna have a gun. And money. Okay, Robux. Actually, I don't want to tell you something, okay? It was my first time playing Roblox now. Robux. Yeah. Okay, those are all my stuff. Okay. Oh, food! And okay, I want to do a rap battle and then oh, look. Wait guys. I already know how to play Roblox because I've seen other YouTubers play it. And once I finally signed in, I tried to do like my original name called Golden Lion, but that didn't work because people will already know that I am Golden Lion for real. But no, I really didn't want that account, so I made it as Fun Fans Time. But it actually suited my look. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay. Yep. Okay. Wow. It's so cute. Why is it so cute? Oh. Wait. Okay, this is Jakey. Jakey is this is my little son in the future. If it's okay, this is the future. This is the future. I hope this will be the future me. This is the future me, and will be my future. Okay. Okay. Wait. Yeah. Aha. I'm shooting it somewhere else. Wait. Oh, I can shoot it. Yeah. Pew, pew, pew. Okay. Rap battling. And then songs. Food. I'm trying to leave food here. Duh. Gonna leave food here for the poor people. Then I'm gonna leave food again. I didn't even notice that. That's creepy! That's creepy. Okay, guys, so where will I teleport? I can't. Okay, so this is vacant 21. Okay, so my roleplay name is Kelsey because you know that. Kelsey the Ninja Superstar, but that's not my account now. If you check my account, no, not Roblox account, only my YouTube account, you can actually check it. Okay, I chose the selected house. Whoa. This is so cool. Oh, Jakey's here. Okay. Wow. Whoa. This is okay. 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 This is the outside of the house. We can actually go on top of I can actually go on top of the house and I didn't even know. Oh, guys, I think this will be the end of the video, but yeah, if you see 9 minutes already, yeah, I see 9 minutes in my video. Wait, we can actually sleep. Oh, he's sleeping with me. Okay, here is another room, which is pretty cool. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, the video's done right now. And guys, goodbye. Make sure to like and subscribe.